Ebooks are an excellent way to begin selling your ideas, your skills, and your experiences on the internet. It is frequently used as the starting point for developing a full online information product. Ebooks are also a great way to grow your email list by providing an ebook as a free download in exchange for subscribing to your list. This is also known as a lead magnet. When I ask people what is holding them back from writing an ebook, their answers has always been either the design, the layout, the images, even the technology. But in reality, that is the simplest part, which we shall be discussing in today's lesson. The most difficult aspect of this process is actually the first step, and that is writing. I am not talking about typing, I am talking about creating something that actually works. Yes, something that people will read, become engrossed in, and eventually take the next step for. That is when they will come back for more. Hi, I am Kingsley from Upscale. Today's lesson is divided into 7 steps. So we'll be looking at how to write an ebook in 7 steps. 7 steps. So, step number 1, make sure there is a market for your ebook. You are considering a particular type of niche for your ebook, but there is need for you to make sure that there is market for your ebook. Are people searching for that product online? How are people reaction to your type of niche? Because nobody will buy or download your ebook if there is no market. Take for example, you are considering taking a diet as a niche in your ebook. There are different types of diets. For example, you are looking at weight loss, then there is need for you to study the dietary that is relating to weight loss. Look at that very one that people are yelling for. So that is first step. Now, another point is this. Is there any search traffic for what you are writing about? Check it out online. What is the search traffic? Are people searching, always searching for what you are writing about? Okay, what about the keyword? Is it a trending keyword? Is it a declining keyword? Is it a seasonal keyword? These are the things that you must consider when you are picking a niche in your ebook creation. Now, one of the ways to look out for a trending keyword is to make use of Google Trend. Just navigate to trend.google.com. Then you can compare the keyword and see which of the keyword that is, that has enough traffic, which of the keyword is trending, and which among the keyword is declining. You must go for those keywords that are trending. Now, step number 2, define your avatar. Define your avatar, your persona. An avatar is a representation of your ideal customer. Now, if you are writing an ebook, who are you aiming at? Your niche must have a target audience. So you will need to be able to relate to your target audience in order to meet their need and assist them in finding solution to their product. Every niche should be able to provide a solution to a problem, because in every need there is always a problem. Now, another point is this: take the time to understand and define this so that when you are writing your book, you can write in a way that they will understand. Why? Because you have taken your time to study your target audience, to know their problem, to know their need. Now, there are some recommended ways to identify your personas, your avatars. One of them is, 1, monitor social media talking about your brand or keyword. You have to monitor social media talking about your brand or keyword. Monitor their reaction to your brand, monitor their reaction to your keyword. This is a way of identifying the effects, identifying if the keyword is trending or not. Then the second point is that spy on your competitors and see what they have done. You have to look out for your competitors and see what they have done. What has these people done that has placed them at this particular position they are? Identify complaints, identify comments, identify compliments, and work on them. Now, question on Google search, question on Quora or Reddit. These are some effective ways to identify your personas. Now, step number 3, devise the hook. The hook is what forms the title, the headings or subject line. It is intended to pique the reader's interest by promising a result. Now, your hook gives readers a strong sense of what they will get from your ebook without giving everything away. How can you find and add hook to your ebook? That is very, very important question that you must answer. How can you find and add hooks to your ebook? Go through your ebook and note down every solution your book provides. Then ask yourself, what is the big problem you are trying to solve? And what are the pain points of your audience? Your book should be able to solve problem. And your book should be able to have a catchy subject, a catchy title, a catchy outlines. Now, I have like 3 recommended methods to inspire your hook title or subject line. Now, one of them is through Amazon Advanced Search. Amazon Advanced Search. Just go to Amazon and leverage your search. From there, you'll be able to find out the best sellers and look at the trends of the search online. Then another method is through BuzzSumo. Just go to BuzzSumo.com. BuzzSumo.com is a platform to find the content that perform best. Okay, now next step number 4 is create your ebook outline. It is critical to be concise in this section while still providing sufficient information to illustrate your points. Your outline should be very concise. It should not be too long. Keep in mind that you do not want your ebook to be too lengthy. Try to cover the top 5 major issues and solutions. It is fine if there are more, but try as much as possible to cover the top 5 major issues and solutions. Now, like in your introduction, outline what the reader will discover. Tell your stories and make use of the identified pain points. Right away, reveal your secret. When you start big and reveal that one secret right away, your readers will trust and expect even bigger results from you. Now, one of the questions is, why should people pay attention to you? Why should people pay attention to you? Tell a story about how you came to know this information. It is very, very important. Now, they will be able to know that this person is expert in this field. This person have the technical know-how in this very niche. So establish yourself as an expert. Present yourself as an expert. Summarize what you have learned and put a call to action for more information. Now, next step is the 5th step. Fill in the blank. Once you have created an outline, begin filling in the blank to help expand and explain your ebook. To demonstrate how to do so, consider the following. 1. Make it a you and I situation and just write. Use the personal and make a personal conversation. By filling in the gap, I mean, now that you have outlined your ebook, there is need for you to embed it with enough information. Now, there are best practices in writing an ebook. Once you have added all your thoughts into your ebook, you can start adding more insightful information. And some of this information consists of like adding quotes, adding images, importing and highlighting statistics, relevant resources, and so on and so forth. These are the best practices that you must follow to make your ebook to be valuable, to be rich. Now we have the 6th step, editing your ebook. Now that you have taken your time to pull down everything, there is need for you to edit your ebook. Take your time to work on everything that you have written. Make it very concise. Check your spellings, check your grammars, check the length of each chapters. Ensure the description flows well. Brush up the voice and the tones. Fine-tune everything that needed to be fine-tuned. Now, the last step is step number 7. Convert into an ebook. You have taken everything down. The last step is for you to convert your write-up, your manuscript into an ebook. And one of the ways you can do this for the purpose of this course is to convert it by using Amazon KDP. In the next segment, we will be discussing the general overview of Amazon KDP and how to get started with Amazon KDP. How to upload our manuscript to Amazon KDP. See you in the next segment.